So we've all had those moments. You come back from doing a shopping, you look at your car and you can see that someone's dented it. They've likely opened up their car door, banged into the side of yours and left a small dent. 9 times out of 10, they don't leave your details and you're left paying the bill for a dent on your car. My name's Tom and I'm the owner operator of TDR Repair. We're a mobile company based in Reading Berkshire and specialise in removing small dings and dents just like the one shown in this video. There was a time when you only had 2 options, either to go to a body repair shop and have your door panels like this repaired and painted, and they'd usually have your car for 2 to 3 days, or the second option was to go for your own insurance. This means you'd not only have to pay your insurance excess, but likely have an increased premium over the next 3 years. But there is a better way. We specialise in a trade called Paintless Dent Removal, also known as just PDR. And in this video you can see some of the tools and techniques we use to remove damage. Most repairs are completed within the hour and nearly always cheaper than your insurance excess. Repairing dings and dents is our business and we've been doing it since 2006. So why not check us out online? You can go direct to the website tdlrepair.co.uk. You'll find us on Facebook, Twitter, you can watch some of our videos on YouTube, or why not just see what our customers say about our services on Google. I'm very pleased and proud to say we have over 100 5-star reviews. So if you've got damage on your vehicle, don't delay. You can get in contact with us today and we will give you a free, no obligation quote to see how we can help you.